Hi, my name is Matt Baker at ProSymmetry, and today we'll be going through how to create workflow projects within Tempus Resource. So once the administrative personnel on your team have created the workflows within Tempus, end users will then have the capability to create workflow projects within the project management tile. So here we'll navigate to project management, and now you'll see that there is a drop-down option when creating a project instead of just the normal create project option. If you have the ability to create different workflow projects by selecting on Create Project, you'll have the different options to work with any of those different types of projects. So in this case, let's say we wanted to create an approval project. We can go ahead and select on that option, and then we'll be able to capture the particular information. Just like you've done with any other project that you may have created within the system, the first step will be to provide a name. So let's say test submission up above, and then from here, we can then fill out the associated attribute that was determined on the given forms. So we can say my project manager is Jane West. This is a high priority. And you can see now I can fill out my senior leader due to it being high. We can say my location. And then we can also provide an estimated budget. Perfect. So once you have this filled out, you can then determine if you want to keep it in this given state, or if you just want to keep it as a draft and then move it to a different state at a later point in time. So down below, if we hit the save option, this will essentially save that project for you. It will remain in this initiation state over here on the right. But if we choose to go to the next step, we can go ahead and do so by either selecting on next step down below, or just simply selecting the state that you want to move it to. So let's say this project needs to now be reviewed. We can go ahead and select on the review state, and you can see now the form has changed based off of the needs of the project based on the form that was associated to it. So the ability to move between these different states will be defined by the workflow permissions that are set up. So you may not be able to essentially traverse the different states within a given project based off your access within the system. If you have any questions on creating a workflow project, please feel free to visit us at prosymmetry.com and have a great rest of your day.